Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Robinhood account transfers and routing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your Robinhood account transfers and routing, open the Robinhood app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once signed in, navigate to the account icon, typically found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. From the Account Settings menu, look for the Transfers option. Select Transfers to view your transfer options. To initiate a transfer, tap on Transfer to Robinhood or Transfer from Robinhood, depending on your needs. If you're transferring to Robinhood, select your bank account from the list. If your bank is not listed, tap on Add a bank account and follow the prompts to link your bank. Once your bank is connected, input the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the transfer details to ensure accuracy. Review any transfer limits that might apply to your account. If everything looks correct, initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation notification for your transfer request. Now, to set up your routing options, go back to the Account Settings menu. Locate the section labeled Account Information or Banking. Here, you will find your account and routing numbers. For outgoing transfers, make sure you have the correct routing number for your bank. For incoming transfers, provide your account number and routing number to the sending party. Once you have configured your routing options, save any changes made. Monitor your transfer status in the app under the History or Transfers section. Allow time for processing, as transfers may take a few business days to complete. If you encounter any issues, visit Robinhood's Help Center for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.